And for more on this issue, we're now joined on the phone by Mr. Liu Shinan, Assistant Editor-in-Chief at the China Daily newspaper. Evening there, Mr. Liu. Thank you for joining us in the program. In today's fast-changing society, more and more people seem to be suffering from mental health problems. What do you think are the main reasons behind this?
Mental problems and psychological problems certainly have their particular physiological and pathological reasons. In other words, if a person is suffering mental illness, some part of his or her body, not only his brain, must have gone wrong. I mean, physiologically. But there is no denying that something beyond the human body also plays a significant part in the illness. That is, I think, the social environment a person lives in. Nowadays, people are facing more and more pressure and challenges in both life and work. They have so many worries and anxieties. They have to, for instance, for students, they have to study very hard to pass the college entrance examinations, and they have to work very hard to earn enough money to buy a home, and they have to be very careful with their relationship with their bosses and colleagues and even their family members. So many worries, so many challenges. All these make up great pressure on their psychology. But these factors alone do not necessarily or inevitably lead to people's mental illness, because the pressures and challenges are equal to every member of society. Why is it that some people can stand and some people cannot? This is closely related with each individual's psychological quality, I think. And this quality has got a lot to do with the environment a person grows up in and the education he or she has received.
Right, and the situation of a mental health problem treatment is actually not very satisfactory in the country. What kind of measures can be taken to improve the current situation in China in terms of prevention and treatment?
Yeah, I think besides the need to give professional treatment and care to those who are already suffering from mental health problems, we should also take effective measures to prevent people to prevent the unhappiness or the worries in people's life from escalating into spiritual problems. This certainly needs a harmonious social environment. But I think more important is that our schools and work unit and even the neighborhood community, they should also give much importance to the care of people who have shown early signs, early symptoms of spiritual depression. I think we should distinguish this from what we call the ideological work, 思想工作. I think the parents and teachers and company leaders, they should also learn some psychology and use their psychological knowledge to prevent the problems from escalating into seriousness. And more important...
All right, thank you very much, Mr. Liu Shinan from China Daily.